Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Build It Mossel Bay in the Western Cape.
The store was established 6 years ago. The store was actually voted Western Cape Build It Store of the Year in 2023, and I believe that's due to the fact that we have a can-do attitude. What makes me most proud about the store is undoubtedly the people. There's an attitude in the store among the people. It's a can-do attitude. It's a service-orientated attitude where the customer comes first. What I believe makes us stand out from other hardware stores is definitely our service. For us, there's no such thing as it cannot be done. What sets us apart for Plascon products specifically is we probably have the best paint specialists in the garden route, so they will provide you with expert advice.
Plascon is basis, hulle verkoop hulle self. Omrede van die name is al lankal in die industrie. Plascon is die een. My favorite gunsteling, ek het 'n passie vir hierdie verf. As jy 'n wall seal, as jy 'n verf soek wat alles kan doen, is dit hierdie een in Plascon. Hy is basies 'n waterproof, hy's 'n top coat, hy's washable, hy het 'n low sheen. So wall seal is die een from my.
My DIY tip relates to paint again, so get expert advice before you start out and do it right the first time.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.